Hola amigos, today we're making ceviche de soya, which is a traditional ceviche made with soy protein. We start off by rehydrating the soy, and we do this by boiling water, some vegetable bouillon, bay leaf, garlic, and onion, and then you're gonna drop in your dry soy and then turn off the heat to just let it sit there and soak up, rehydrate and soak up all the liquid. Once it's cooled, you're going to squeeze out as much of the liquid as possible. And then if you have larger chunks like this, you can chop it up so finer pieces or just use a finer soy. And then once it's cooled, you're going to put it in a bowl. Actually, while it's cooling, you can chop up your vegetables if you'd like. And then we're going to season it with some salt, or you can also use soy sauce if you'd like, and then plenty of freshly squeezed lime juice. Now, if you want like a fishier ceviche, you can use nori sheets, but traditionally this ceviche de soya, it like emulates a meat-based ceviche. I'll give you more details in the article. But for now, so you're going to add the core chopped tomato, and then chile. You can use either serrano or jalapeno or a mix of both, and then you're going to use white onion, and then just mix that all up together. Next, we add some freshly chopped cilantro, and again, just mix that until it's finely well mixed, and then you're going to refrigerate this for at least 30 minutes or until you're ready to serve. The longer it sits, the better. I did a food delivery service, and it's so awful. All of the tostadas are broken. Boo. Okay, so these are best served on tostadas. Hopefully your tostadas are not broken like mine. And the way I like to eat them is two ways. The first way is I like to spread some mayonnaise on a tostada. If you don't have mayonnaise or don't like mayonnaise, you can use crema. And then you're going to scoop up, use a slotted spoon to drain off any of the excess juices. And then you just spread it over a tostada. And I love to top it with plenty of avocado to give it that kind of creaminess touch to it. It's so good. And then top drizzled with your favorite hot sauce, bottled hot sauce, whatever you like, Valentina or whatever you have at hand. And it's so good. Look at that. Oh, my mouth is watering. Now, another way that I like to also eat it is I take avocado and then I just spread around the tostada. And then I scoop some ceviche onto it and then the hot sauce. It's so good. Whichever way you eat it, I promise you're going to love it. Ceviche. You can find the full written printable recipe on my blog, or it's also written in the YouTube video description. Have a beautiful day, amigos.